Welcome to Retro Unboxing. Today we'll be unboxing a Samsung Galaxy Note 5 smartphone. This little cardboard shell thing was quite difficult to remove, so I'm going to fast forward that. And there we go. So now to open this box. And now for the reveal. Ooh, look at that phone. So I have to remove it from the plastic bag, and there's a screen protector on the screen with all that writing on it. I can see some resemblance to the iPhone on the bottom and top, but the iPhone has it on the sides. Interesting. Brand new. Well, let's remove the plastic off the screen, I guess. Well, let's see what else is in the box. So the phone comes with a little quick start guide, fast charger charging plug. It's kind of weird, it doesn't have the plug on the USB on the top, it has it on the side. And here's some headphones. It happens to have the volume controls on the side. That's pretty cool. And then here's the Samsung USB cord. Anything else? Nope, empty box. Okay, so now let's take a look at this little booklet after I put everything back in the box to get it out of the way. Okay, quick start guide. And what else? Oh, look at that. It's a whole big piece. Interesting. So now let's start unwrapping all the little charging cords and headphones. Looks like a pretty standard Android phone charger cord. So here are the headphones that came with the phone. Stereo with a microphone. Don't you just love when a phone has a headphone jack? Oh yeah, they got it right. And here's Samsung's quick charging charger. I actually went in the Android settings and disabled quick charge. This phone is a non-replaceable battery, and quick charging lithium batteries is not as good for them as slow charging, so I want this battery to last. I don't mind waiting for it to charge. I let it charge overnight while I sleep, like most people. Hopefully you take care of your devices and they'll last a long time. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you again soon.